space show. We hope you enjoy. Oh my goodness, humans. Wow, look at all those. I wonder if they know we are aliens.
Yes, I think they do. Do you think that they know aliens exist?
I hope so. We are aliens and we are here to teach you all about space. My name is Nikhil Jr.
My name is Ryan the Great. Did you know Earth is the planet that is the only planet with life on it?
That's a really cool fact about Earth. Did you know that the sun is a big hot ball of gas? Our sun is a star. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It has no oxygen. Mercury has no life. Venus is the second planet.
Jupiter has a big red dot, which means a bad storm.
Whoa!
Who are you?
My name is Pinky. I am from Venus, the hottest planet. What are your names? My name is Nikhil Jr.
My name is Ryan the Great.
Did you know our sun is a big hot ball of gas? Our sun is an ordinary star. That's also a really good fact. Oh no, there's an evil space bunny attacking Earth. Don't you guys have any ideas? I have one I can keep.
What about using the force field?
That's a great idea. Let's do it. My asteroids! Oh no! Yes, it's working. Oh, I need to evacuate the ship. Ah! Guys, it's working. Yeah. But my ship flew off into space without me. This one is going well. I like it. This is charger. I'm so sorry I was shooting. Don't put me in jail. Yes. We won't. We accept your apology. Thank you. In your spot. Do you want to sing a song? Sure. Yeah. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Those are the planets of the Milky Way. Pluto kicked off the list. Kick! I can't pick.
Okay, come take a bow.
Everybody,
Come take a bow. Quick.
oh my goodness, my shoes.
Bow.